kitchen cleanup and declutter, but as I went around my house, I found a ton of stuff that I needed to get rid of. I ended up getting rid of about 4 bags worth of stuff, so that's going to Goodwill, and I feel a lot better. It's amazing how clean your house feels after you just get rid of a few things. So I'm going to take you along with me as I just tidy up around the house and get rid of some stuff. I hope it inspires you to do the same. It really does make you feel so much better. Winter time is a great time to get a hold on that kind of thing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video for more, and I'll see you in the next video. So the first spot I'm doing is right here. This is kind of one of our catch-all cabinets, and it's pretty bad. Anytime you try to grab something out of it, it just explodes. Things fall out. It's just terrible. I feel like the kitchen is one of our trouble spots because I'm in here most of the time. I'm always cleaning it. I feel like I'm always organizing it, but since I'm in here so much and we're so busy, things just get thrown places, and I just want to put some extra attention to it to see if I can make it a little bit better. Day. I didn't get very far yesterday because it was already the middle of the day. Both kids were down napping, and I was just doing what I could while I could, which is normally how cleaning goes around here anyways. So now I'm going to try to declutter some of the art stuff, toys stuff. Case got a lot of new nice things for Christmas and his birthday, so we need to minimize the clutter. So that's what we're gonna do. At staying decluttered with children, but I have heard that one of the best tips is to have a place for everything, and that's what I love about this cubby organizer, is that I can have different cubes for each thing. I have art, he has his magnet tiles, he has his puzzles, he knows where everything goes, so he can go put it back when he's done with it, and that's really helpful, and it teaches him to be more independent too. So, we're almost at the end of this week of cleaning and decluttering. It turned out to be a lot more than I originally planned on, but today I'm in our bedroom. I'm going to get rid of some clothes. There's a child over there. Are you grumpy? Don't be grumpy. So, I'm going to get rid of some clothes. I have to. I have way too many. It always happens every year. I just accumulate all these clothes. Even if I don't really like them, if it's nice, I just keep it, and I don't like it. I did a lot better than I thought I would. I got rid of almost an entire bag, which I'm pretty proud of myself because I actually wear pretty much all of my clothing, and my husband can attest to this. I wear stuff until it has holes in it. I mean, I got a new pair of boots for Christmas, and I threw out the old pair because there was literally holes where my toes should be. So I wear all of my clothes a lot, and I wear them until I'm just done with them, and they either get thrown out, or if they're in any kind of wearable use, I just send them to Goodwill. But I'm one of those crazy people that believes that cleaning is therapeutic, so especially in the wintertime, I clean a lot. I get stir crazy and I just want to go outside and garden or run, and I can't really do that, especially with 2 kids in the wintertime. So I just start cleaning. I try to do one big chore a day, whether that be dusting or washing the sheets or deep cleaning the kitchen. Case likes to help when he can. He's just a mama's boy sometimes, so he likes to do whatever mama's doing. I don't always get around to what I want to do just because when you have 2 kids, that's what happens. So, but I do like to keep things nice and tidy, and I do think it's possible when you have 2 kids. You just have to work a little harder at it. Succulents are getting out of control, you guys. First off, I have way too many, and second off, they're taking over my kitchen.